Hello everyone, now we are going to solve one more question which is here. Let us see. So here in this question we can see that for for tuning forks of frequencies 200 to 201, 204 and 206 Hz are sounded together. The beat frequency will be first option 6, second option 12, third option 15 and D option is none of these. Let us see how we can solve this question. Okay. So as we know, if there are only two forks, then the difference between the frequencies, that will be the beat frequency. But here we can see that there are four forks. So how to solve this question? Let us see. So first of all, write the frequencies of the forks. So here it is 200 hertz, then 200, I think one is there, 201 hertz, then 204 hertz, and finally there is 206 hertz. Okay. So if we sound these two together, then we can see that there will be one beat per second. If we sound 200 Hz with 204, then there will be 3 beats per second. And if we sound 200 with 206, then there will be 206 minus 200. Okay, sorry, here will be 4 beats. Here will be 4 beats. And here will be 6 beats. 206 minus 200, 6 beats per second. Now, if we sound this 201 with 204, then we will get 3 beats per second. If we sound 201 with 206, then we will get 5 beats per second. Correct? And if we sound this 204 with 206 hertz, then there will be 2 beats per second. Okay. So here we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are frequencies of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 beats per second. Okay. Now let's talk about the time period of these beats. So if we talk about the time period of this 1 beat per second, then time period is 1 upon frequency. So it will be 1 upon 1. It means in 1 second we will get 1 maxima. Okay. So I can say that if here it is 0 and here it is 1 second, then for this 1 beat per second, I can say there will be the maxima at this moment in 1 second. That will be the time period here. Okay. And if I talk about this 2 beats per second, then the time period, that will be 1 by 2 second. It means every 1 by 2 second we will hear maxima. So I can write at 1 by 2 second and at 2 by 2 second we will hear maximum sound. Correct? Now for 3 beats per second. For 3 beats per second, I can say that time period will be 1 by 3 second. Okay. So at 1 by 3, at 2 by 3 and at 3 by 3 second, we will hear maxima. Okay. Similarly, for 4 beats per second, we can write a time period that will be 1 by 4 second. So at 1 by 4, at 2 by 4, at 3 by 4 and at 4 by 4 second, we will hear maximum intensity of sound. Okay. And if we talk about 5 beats per second, then we can say that time period that will be 1 by 5 second. It means at 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and here 5 by 5 second. At this moment we will hear maximum intensity sound. Now let's talk about this 6 beats per second. So we can write here from 0 to 1 second, the time period that will be 1 by 6 second. Okay. So at 1 by 6, at 2 by 6, at 3 by 6, at 4 by 6, at 5 by 6 and at 6 by 6 second, we will hear maximum intensity sound. Okay. It means beats. Now let's talk about the common beats. So here we can see that at 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second and 1 second. These are the common instant where there will be maximum sound intensity. Okay, so we can say that we will hear only a single very high intensity sound. Okay, so we will hear one beat here. Now let's talk about the time of 1/2 second. So 1/2 here it is. At this moment we can say we will hear maximum intensity sound 1/2, and here also we can see that it is 1/2. So at this moment and this moment is common here, and if we look at this moment also, it is also 1/2. So this is the common time. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3, these are common times. Okay, so here also we will hear one beat. Okay, and that beat will be common. Now let's talk about 2/3 second. 2/3 here it is, and 2/3 somewhere, I think here it is 2/3, here it is 2/3. Okay, so this is the common time. So 2/3 and here also 2/3. So at this moment we will hear maximum sound. So one more beat we will hear. Now let's talk about 1/3 second. 1/3, and here 1/3 we can search that. Okay, here it is 1/3 second. Okay, so at this moment, and here it is 1/3 second. At this moment we will hear a high sound or the beat. So one more beat is there. Okay, at 1/3 second. Now if we talk about 3/4, 3/4 here it is, and 3/4 I think there is no 3/4 here. Okay, so we can say that we will hear one beat at 3/4 second. Correct. Now let's talk about 1/4 second. So if we talk about 1/4 second, then I think there is no common instant 1/4 second. No. Okay, so at 1/4 second we will hear one more beat. Correct. Now let's talk about this. 1/5 is there? No, there is no common time such as 1/5 second, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. Okay, there is not these common instant. So I can say there will be one more beat here, here, here and here. So 4 more beats. Okay, and if we talk about 1/6 and 5/6, it means one beat here and one beat here. It means 2 more beats. Okay, so if we add them, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means we can say that total 12 beats per second will be heard if we sound these 4 forks together. Okay, I hope you got the method, I hope you got the process how we solve this question, and that's our answer, 12 beats per second. So I think option B, that is the correct answer. Okay, so option B is there. Thank you very much. Bye.